These are the models that we mostly show you in this video, the Mio variants. This is in Yamaha Minglanilla, Cebu. We start with YTX 125. Cash price for YTX 125 is 51,300 pesos. For installment, you down payment of 4,000 pesos. You can avail installment for 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, 30 months, and 36 months. Most of our shots here are mostly close-up of the bikes. As you can see, it's all crammed in here in this showroom. Never been to a showroom like this. Next is the SZ16150. Cash price for this model is 70,500 and down payment of 5,000. Same monthly installment available until 3 years. There was even a customer that come in and can't get through. He just walked out while we were filming this. It's really crammed in here. This is the Sniper 150 Movie Star. The cash price for this model is 103,400 pesos. With a down payment of 12,500, you can only avail the installment for this model is until 2 years, which is 24 months. That's the close-up filming of the Sniper 150. This is the Mio I-125. Cash price is 72,750. With a down payment of 4,000, you can avail of the monthly installment of 6 months, for 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, 30 months, or 36 months. These are the other colors for Mio I-125. With the same price, 72,750. Down payment of 4,000. You can avail of the installment until 3 years. This is the Mio I-125S, but they don't have a price. This is the Mio Aerox 155. Cash price for this model is 103,700 pesos. Down payment of 10,000. You can avail 4 installment only until 24 months, which is 2 years. Several viewers have asked for Yamaha Mio variants, so this is why we show you some of the Mios when we pass through this showroom here.